Databricks provides value to data engineers because all the different moving parts are in the same place. We have the cluster that we can manage, and we can inspect the workers, we can inspect the jobs, we can monitor the performance of the cluster all in one platform, and that's something extremely useful, and it really allows the data engineer to stop worrying about all the different tools, and he just worries about the job that he needs to do, and optimizing what needs to be optimized and developing what needs to be developed. Another thing that I personally like about Databricks is the ability of connecting notebooks among them and with external teams. So if we can create a layered structures of notebooks, one calling another, and we can create control system among notebooks in order to understand if something goes wrong, if everything is fine, and based on the different scenarios we can divide our code in different parts that can be triggered from different notebooks, and that's something that can be really useful to do. Finally, there is the fact that those notebooks can be assigned to jobs. So a job is essentially a task that can be either triggered manually or automatically triggered. So if we are thinking about data ingestion and batching, maybe we want to run the batching process once a day. We can just essentially create our notebook with our code, assign it to a job, and schedule the job to be run once a day, and then we just forget about it. Or at least we don't have to worry about creating a task in a server and creating an alarm or trigger the task every single day and creating the code to trigger that task. Everything is handled automatically, and we can put emails in order to notify us if anything goes wrong, and we can act really quickly and go to the root of the problem and solving it without really bothering about all the moving parts that are handled by Databricks.